Yes, people, Arms TV here with a POV drive, already on the M-Way. Just wanted to talk about how this car feels and drives. And yeah, and honestly, from what I can see, it's quite solid, you know. Like, I love driving this car. Like, you can't actually hate this car at all. You have to drive it and experience it to know what it's like. But yeah, you know, if you want to get somewhere quick, boom, if you put your foot down, it's quite responsive. You know, you got the torque there. You know, stage 1 GTD, almost 500 newton meters of torque. You know, I'm also thinking about getting a DPF delete, you know, just to get a little bit more performance out of the vehicle, push it to its limits. But yeah, let's see how this drive goes. Peugeot on that, come on, 74 plate, really. But I can't lie, yeah, I would not go for a Peugeot, mainly because of the fact that it's French. But yeah, L plate, what a loser, boo. We don't need none of that, we don't need none of that, certainly not. But yeah, it's like instant response from this car, you know, as soon as you put your foot down a tiny bit, you know, it's like you're flying past. But yeah, that's the stage 1 GTDemon for you, bro. Would that be a Fed? I don't think so. You know, the tints aren't dark enough. Keep your distance, if you can read that or see that. But yeah, here we go. You know, sometimes I'm skeptical of these white vans just there, because you never know, they could be undercover. But the only way to find out is to speed past it and see if they're doing anything about it. One of the fingers federal officer, you know. Yeah, mate, get my way, thank you very much. Much appreciated. You know, I don't even need to ask, you just done it.
Speed camera ahead.
Yeah, mate, cameras ain't catching us out today. Yeah, they've got the M25 that makes you feel like you've got a flat tire, but you know what, everything's all good, you know. But it would be a long day if someone actually had their flat tire, you know, and you're driving on here specifically. You might just fly off the edge or something. Yeah, first day of Ramadan, and yeah, we're starting off with a POV drive. Like, I didn't expect for me to even do POV drive. I didn't really consider it until like last night, and I thought I might as well take the chance and take you guys along with me. Yeah, this is another car to watch out for, you know. That bit felt like a roller coaster there, you know, like, you know that feeling you get sometimes. Now, if you can see up ahead there, XC90, you know, that's usually danger, you know, they're usually on business. But then you get the knockoffs like the XC40s, you know, that might just make your heart sink a little bit. But you know what, it's all good, bro, it's all good. This one ain't gonna catch us today, bro. It looks like it's all good. Yeah, but just a family of 4. get to the back roads, you know. Gonna get some back roads around, you know, whatever area I'm going to. But yeah, bro, look at these guys not using up the full length of the lane, man. Come on, man. That's why there's traffic. You know, let's use the full length of this. Damn. Look, the guy behind me got the right idea. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Roadworks reported ahead.
There you go, my look. Snaring. You know, we're getting there. But yeah, bro, don't be like these guys. I mean, the ones back there, obviously. We'll slow down. This guy's gonna let us go through. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. But yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it. Not like the other guy that you saw back there, bro. Like, he's one of the reasons why traffic is caused. But yeah, bro, there's a lot of like roadworks going on here. It's mad. Yeah, so it looked like there was no back roads, you know, it's just A roads and the motorway the whole way. But yeah, it is what it is. Well, like 1 hour 30 minutes drive, was more like 1 hour 40. But yeah, not too bad actually, not too bad. You know, the car did give me like a few jump scares here and there, but that's just typical VAG stuff. But yeah, final review of this car, bro. This car, like I said, it performs, it drives well. You know, what more could you ask for? You know, if I wanted to take it on a track, I probably could. But yeah, that'll be the end of this POV drive. And yeah, until next time, people, come on.